In this video, I'll show you how to connect Figma to Visual Studio Code. To do this, what you want to do is first open up VS Code, and in the left menu go to the extensions right here. Now once you are in the extensions, click on the search bar and go and type in Figma. From there you'll see Figma for VS Code, which was officially made by Figma. So go and click on that one, and from there click Install. Now click on Trust Publisher and Install. And now after you have installed it, in the left menu you will then see the Figma logo. So go and click on Figma, and then from there click Login, and then click Open, and from there go and sign in, and I already have a tab open, so for me it just signs me in automatically. Now just open up Visual Studio Code again, and then after you have logged in, if you then go back to Visual Studio Code and click Figma, under Files you will then be able to see all of your files, and for example I've got this one right here. And now in the left menu you now have Figma, and you can then there see all of my recent, and you can then see all of my files that I have inside of Figma. Now if I go and open up one of them, you will see that it now gives me the notification that I need to get dev mode, so developer mode. So I'm going to click that, then open, and now you need to get developer mode. So from there you need to then upgrade to professional on Figma. So if you are using the free plan, you are going to have to upgrade to the professional plan, which if you bill monthly will cost you 20 euros per month. Annually it will be 192 euros per year. So you will need to get that and then turn on developer mode, and from there you can then actually use Figma inside of VS Code. So now you know how to connect Figma to Visual Studio Code. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.